Hair loss treatment at home. Hair fall can be caused by a myriad of factors like unhealthy lifestyles, nutritional deficiencies, allergies, hormonal imbalances, poor hair care, and genetics. And so, there are also a plethora of modern treatments and techniques available that promise to help reverse it. But did you know that using ingredients from your kitchen could also fix the problem? In this video, we will show you some tips that will be helpful for your hair loss treatment. Number 1. Aloe vera. Aloe vera contains proteolytic enzymes that help heal and repair dead skin cells. This helps stimulate hair growth from dormant hair follicles, increasing hair volume. Daily consumption of aloe vera juice is also recommended to help promote hair growth. Extract about 2 teaspoons of gel from an aloe vera leaf. You can do this by slicing the leaf with a knife and simply scooping the gel out. Blend the gel so that it gets to a smooth consistency. Start massaging the gel into your scalp with your fingertips. After massaging your scalp for about 5 minutes with the gel, leave it on for an additional 25 minutes. Rinse it out with warm water. Number 2. Eggs. Eggs are a rich source of protein and sulfur. Frequent protein treatments are crucial for thick and healthy hair. In a bowl, combine 1 egg with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Stir until you get a smooth mixture. Apply the mixture to your hair and scalp, working it in from the roots to the tips. Once your scalp and hair are completely covered in the mixture, leave it on for about 20 minutes. Cover your hair with a shower cap during this time to avoid a mess. Proceed to wash your hair with shampoo and cool water. Do not use warm water to wash your hair at this point as it can cook the egg. Finish by conditioning your hair. Number 3. Avocado. Avocado is well known for its numerous health benefits. In combination with banana, it deeply nourishes and conditions your hair and follicles, promoting healthy hair growth. Mash the avocado and banana in a bowl until you get a smooth, lump-free mixture. Apply the mixture to your hair and scalp, working it in from the roots to the tips. Once your scalp and hair are completely covered in the mixture, leave it on for about 30 minutes to an hour. Cover your hair with a shower cap during this time to avoid a mess. Proceed to wash your hair with shampoo and cool water. You can skip conditioning as the hair mask will leave your hair feeling soft and smooth. Number 4. Amla. When it comes to treating hair loss and thinning, amla is the safest home remedy. It is a powerhouse of antioxidants and vitamin C. Besides being good for your hair, consuming amla is also healthy for your body. The high amounts of vitamin C in this pack help boost the collagen levels in your scalp, increasing hair growth. Combine equal parts of amla and lime juice until you get a smooth mixture. Apply the mixture to your hair and scalp, working it in from the roots to the tips. Once your scalp is covered in the mixture, leave it on until it dries up. Proceed to wash your hair with shampoo and cool water. Number 5. Coconut oil. Coconut oil contains ingredients that naturally condition your hair and also promote growth. It is rich in essential minerals and fat, iron, and potassium that prevent hair breakage. It also helps maintain scalp health and prevents issues such as dandruff. In a bowl, heat the coconut oil for a couple of seconds until it is slightly warm. Use your fingertips to massage the oil into your scalp. After massaging your scalp for about 15 minutes, work the oil into the rest of your hair and leave it on for an additional 30 minutes. Optionally, you could sleep with the oil in your hair and then wash it off in the morning.